following presentation is by yours truly and Aquaplate's Prepared Media Plates. Prepared Media Plates and Quality Control. So, just what is quality control? In the laboratory environment, we strive to control many conditions so that we may be able to measure our intended result. When talking about prepared media plates, it means analyzing at least a sterile control and a positive control with every run. So, why do we need quality control anyway? When we inoculate or plant microbes onto a petri dish or prepared media plate, we want to make sure that is what we end up growing is the same bug that we planted originally, and we also want to know that we can grow that particular microbe or bacteria given the conditions we used for incubation. A positive control is a known microbe or bacteria that comes from a certified source such as the American Type Culture Colony Stock or ATCC. You've got to keep control. A sterile control is a petri dish or prepared media plate that is usually inoculated with a sterile blank or sterile dilution water, then analyzed for any signs of growth at the end of the incubation period. Some folks call a sterile control a negative control. We perform this procedure to assure we haven't cross-contaminated our run. Other factors to consider. Prepared agar plate should be checked to make sure that the pH is within the prescribed range for that particular medium. Glass petri dishes that are reused must be made scrupulously clean before sterilization. Incubation temperatures should be continuously monitored to assure no lapse in temperatures have occurred overnight, for instance. Technique of analysts in training must be monitored carefully to avoid errors such as sterilizing positive controls and inducing cross-contamination. What other factors should we control for basic bacteria culturing? Well, growing target organisms, or specific types of bacteria, usually involves a petri dish or prepared media plate that has an agar that is specific to growing that specific type of organism. Some other factors to be considered during the incubation are pH, temperature, moisture, humidity, and aseptic technique. Careful methods are used to prevent cross-contamination of samples or by the analyst. Getting great results with your prepared media plates. Remember the 5 P's, or 6 like below. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Make sure you're using properly sterilized equipment along with known control organisms and monitored temperatures, and you'll be a long way toward assuring yourself of nice, reliable, and consistent results using petri dishes and prepared media plates. So, I hope you've enjoyed this short presentation on quality control with prepared media plates and petri dishes. For more information on prepared media plates, please visit www.aquaplates.com. And if you want a free report that reveals the 4 crazy easy actions the pros use to pass their DMRQA in micro every time, just click on the link below or cut and paste it into your browser. Thanks very much.